Thought for the day, Wednesday, September 11th. Live for universal fraternity. Open your heart wide. We must open our hearts wide, break all the dams and take universal brotherhood into our hearts. I live for universal brotherhood. If we are all brothers, we have to love everyone. We have to love everyone. It seems like a little word, but it's a revolution. Chiara Lubich, The Art of Loving, New City.
The Word of Life for September 2024. Do not merely listen to the Word, and so...
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.